Alright everybody, welcome back. Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys out there. I haven't seen you guys much since Christmas. I think I uploaded once, but I'm gonna get back to uploading daily. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to mount my battery tray and tuck the battery away up underneath the front fender. So that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta run to the store right quick, pick up basically the parts to get this done, and we'll go ahead and knock that out. This is the battery that I'm working with. Right here's the battery I'm working with. It's an Odyssey battery with a eBay battery tray. Now this Odyssey battery, I got it tested. It said it was good. I got it from a buddy, so good deal. If it's not good, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just purchase another one. But I'm gonna use this for mock-up for right now. Put all the wires where they need to be and hook all the wires up on the car. So basically here is where I'm going to try to mount the battery, up in here, just right under here. So dang, it's kind of bright. So basically here is where I'm trying to mount the battery, right up under here. I got to take that little clip out right there, put this up in here as tucked as possible. I need to put the headlight down all the way to make sure that I'm not going to hit the headlight once it's closed. So let's see. Move that wire out the way. Take this cap off. Oh, wind this headlight down. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. So headlight is closed all the way. Alright, so with the headlight closed, I shouldn't have any issue tucking the battery up under here. That side, damn, it's a little close, but I don't think I'll have any problems with it. Move that, slide it over a little bit more. And it's pretty close in there, but I don't think I have any problems. I'm gonna go get the wires and try to put it together. What I'm gonna do is take this out right here. I should just be able to pop it out. Dang it! There's some snippers. Let's take this out. Got that at all. Get that out. And then we mark this. Hang a little. I'll probably just end up using the two top bolts like these two. I want to use that third one, but it's like down there. I don't know if it'll be able to fit. Or matter of fact, I really can't slide it back that much. The motor's in the way. Angle it like this. Guess that could work. Put at an angle. With this one, I don't know. Alright, so I have the little pinhole drilled right there. I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger. Let's see if it's focused. There we go. That's what we want. So we pop that little thing in there, that little riv nut. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get the tool right now and clamp it down. Alright, so this isn't the right tool for this size riv nut, but I'll make it work. So one side. Put this in there. So what I do, I just put it on there, put this in here, all the way down, squeeze, tighten, squeeze, tighten. Oh, I need to loosen this up. Alright, so tighten that down. Now you can take this out. And this ain't gonna fall out because once you put a nut in there, a bolt, you tighten it up, it's still gonna compress together. Damn, I'm out of breath. I need to start working out. So this is one side. I still need to do this side right here. So this is what we're working on so far. Damn it. So now I need to drill this out because the bolt don't fit in there. So this is what we're working with. You kidding me? Need to go one more size. Drill that out. It's cleaned off. So put this in here. Put this little one down here. There's already a hole there and the nut and the bolt, whatever it is. There was a hole right here with a nut on the other side. It was already threaded, so I wasn't going to move that. So I just use this hole. This lower one I'm not going to worry about. Put these two, and then I'll put two more on this side, and it should keep it in place. It shouldn't go anywhere. Once it's bolted in, it should be pretty sturdy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to work on the other side and get the other side in place. It's going to be hard, but I think we could do it. So I'll do the same thing for these two holes that I did with this one. I'll go ahead and drill it out a little bit bigger. Then I'll put the step tool in there and drill it out a little bit more. Then tighten it up. So that's what I'll do right now. I don't know if I'll be able to reach that top one, but we'll try.
reason I'm saying that is because this is in the way. Oh, no, we could get up there. You gotta be a little bit bigger. Got that drilled out. Gonna go up one more. There we go. That one's a little bit too big, but it'll work. I went a little bit too big on that one. So let me go ahead and get that one tightened in. Tighten this down, squeeze it a little more, tighten that down, squeeze it a little more, tighten this. That right there is in there. This is what I use when I'm trying to put a bolt, trying to bolt something in a place that I can't put a washer on the back. Put these in here. Excuse me. I gotta do this one right here. I might have to take off this whole headlight assembly to get to it. Alright, so I went ahead and take the headlight assembly out. Get these wires out the way. And I'm gonna do the same thing I did for the last two right here. Alright, so I'd gotten a phone call, but it's mounted. I'll get all hex head bolts to go in here. But this side is on here too. This side is mounted right here, and I leave a little bit of space at the top so the battery won't hit up there, but it's not tight. I could tighten it here in a bit. Like this side ain't tight. So you see it's a little bit tight, but I'm gonna slap the battery in here and see how it looks and see how it feels and fits when I tighten it down. It's out. Sitting there pretty well. It'll have room up here. That thing will clear this, and that's the negative, so shouldn't have an issue there. But it's in there pretty tight. It's pretty sturdy. Battery. There you go. Looks pretty good. Fender mounted battery. It's not bad. I'll go ahead and pop the light back in. Alright, so there you have it. You can Fender tuck an Odyssey battery in an MR2 and still clear your headlight. These wires are going to be cleaned up, put away. So the headlight comes down and it stopped right here. I made the Odyssey battery stop so the top is basically just a little bit under this little thing right here. It comes down a little bit under it. And I scooted this, I didn't scoot it all the way forward because there was a little hole right here already. So I used this hole that was already here, put a 10 mil in there, and then I put riv nuts for the other ones. Like I said, it's pretty sturdy. It's on there pretty good. It's not going anywhere. I could push and pull the car with it. It's not gonna pop off. So it's on there. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go get the wires. It'll be another video, but I'll get the wires, positive and the negative. And I'll mount it. And then I'll mount the positive somewhere. And we'll be good. We'll have power to the car.